How can I create a drip marketing campaign in LISTSERV Maestro? A drip marketing campaign is a sequence of pre-planned messages which are sent out or dripped to subscribers over a period of time. In this tutorial, we'll create an automated 4-week email course with video tutorials on how to best use LISTSERV Maestro. Creating the first message in this sequence is mostly like creating any other type of mail job. Simply follow the steps in the workflow. On the recipient definition step, select the name of the course list. After we have entered the content, the next step is the tracking definition. The plan for this course is not only to send a weekly email or video tutorials, but to also send reminder messages to those subscribers who have not yet viewed the current tutorials a few days before the following week's course email is scheduled to be sent out. In order to send these types of follow-up messages to select subscribers, you need to use personal tracking for all of your jobs. If the system doesn't know exactly which of the subscribers have clicked on the tutorials and which haven't, it can't send follow-up messages like reminders. The next important step for creating automated jobs and sequences is the scheduling. For this course, we want to send out each weekly email at 1 p.m. on Thursdays. Enter the date and time that you'd like this first message to be sent, and click the Enable link to show the advanced scheduling options. Check the box for auto-repeat delivery and use the pull-down menu to select 1 week for a weekly delivery interval. Finally, make sure that you select Prevent Duplicate Messages under Duplicate Handling. What this does is that after the initial delivery of the Week 1 course message, the system will repeat the delivery of the job every Thursday at 1 p.m., but only to those who haven't already received it. In other words, subscribers who have already received the Week 1 email will never get another copy. Only those subscribers who are new to the list will be included in the mailing. This auto-repeat delivery will continue until you stop it, which means that you can have the email campaign running for as long as you like, and every time you attract new subscribers, they will receive the Week 1 email on the first Thursday at 1 p.m. The reminder email is created in the same way as the original message with one major difference. On the recipient definition step, instead of sending it directly to the list, click the link at the bottom of the screen to change the source and select Determine Recipients based on another job. Then select the Week 1 message from the pull-down menu. On the next step, you have many different options. You can choose to send the follow-up job to only those subscribers who opened the message, those who ignored the message, those who clicked on a link in the message, or those who ignored one or all of the links. In this case, since this message is a reminder, we'll send it to those subscribers who received the Week 1 email but did not click on any of the links to the video tutorials. To do this, select Clicked, Shared, or Performed Other Actions from the first pull-down menu. None of the following from the second one, and clicked any link in the email from the third one. The summary screen allows you to make sure that you have made all of your selections correctly. In this case, we can see that the follow-up job is based on the original Week 1 message. We can also see that the reminder message will leave out all subscribers or clicked on at least one link in the original message, which is what we want. Since each new weekly course message will be sent out on Thursdays, it makes sense to send the reminder message a few days before that to ensure that subscribers have had a chance to review the current week's tutorials before the new ones arrive. So we'll schedule the reminders to be sent out on Tuesdays. To do this, for the initial delivery, enter the date of the Tuesday the week after the original week 1 message. Just like with the first message, select Auto Repeat Delivery with a 1-week interval and with duplicates suppressed. We have now finished the course message and the reminder message for week 1, but we're not done. Since this is a 4-week course, we need to extend the sequence beyond week 1. To create the week 2 course message, the workflow is identical. The only difference is the recipient definition. Since we want the week 2 message to be sent only to those who have already received the week 1 message, we need to again determine the recipients based on the reaction to another job, just like with the reminder message. Again, the recipients will be based on the week 1 message. On the source details screen, since everyone should get the week 2 course email, we'll choose Further Activity Irrelevant from the pull-down menu. What this means is that the week 2 email will be sent to everyone, but only if they have already received the week 1 email. On the scheduling step, we will once again make this an auto-repeat job with a 1-week interval and duplicates suppressed. Since this is the second weekly message in the sequence, the initial delivery date will be the Thursday after the week 1 message. Now that we have a handle on how to create sequences, the rest is easy. The recipient selection for every message after the very first week 1 course email is based on a previous job. In other words, to create the week 2 reminder message, we would set everything up exactly like the week 1 reminder message, except that this one will be based on the tracking data from the week 2 message instead, and with an initial delivery date 1 week later. The week 3 message would be set up exactly like the week 2 message, except that you would send it to only those subscribers who have already received the week 2 message, with an initial delivery date 1 week later. To finish the course, we'll just follow this pattern. Note that the initial delivery date doesn't really matter in the long run. It's just the date when each weekly course email is activated, delivered for the very first time, and starts auto-repeating weekly. The only thing that matters is that all of the weekly course emails are scheduled and put into production in the correct order, because a follow-up email can never be authorized if it's based on a job that hasn't been delivered yet. You don't even need to have any subscribers to set up a sequence like this, since a job is considered delivered and therefore active, even if it was delivered to 0 subscribers. The end result is a fully automated sequence that can be left running for years. Every time someone new subscribes, they will proceed through the sequence in order, with reminder messages in between, depending on their interaction with previous messages, after which the course ends for that subscriber. The auto-repeating for each job occurs in the background, so if you have new subscribers that fit any of the selection criteria, they will receive the message. If you don't, then nothing is sent, and the system will wait a week and check again. Thank you for watching.